Jordans. Look at this. Air Max 90, what, 95? Go for 50 bucks? What the hell? Got Jordan 34s. Jordan 34s, you guys. Wow. Air Max Plus. Go for 69. That must be a mistake. 69.99. What the hell? Kyrie 6s. Kyrie 6s, you guys. Wow. Wow. Before this video, we're going to take care of this quick little giveaway, you guys. Remember, if you guys want to participate in this giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel and you need to be following me on Instagram. Just a reminder, you guys, we will be having giveaways on a weekly basis till the end of the year, pretty much till the new year. These aren't huge gifts, but you know, they are a token of my appreciation for all of you guys viewing and all that type of stuff. We have a bunch of shirts. We cover every size, pretty much every size. We got a small shirt, we got a medium shirt, we got a large shirt right here. This is the large, this is XL large or extra large, and we got a double XL, you guys, double XL, the old school side. We also got our 2 Jordan bronze Funko Pops as well. So pretty much, if you guys win this giveaway, you guys get to choose whatever you guys want, whatever works for you guys. All right, I do want to give a shout out to our previous winners, Tyrone and Jeff. Jeff, my bad, bro, but I'm busy as hell, so your shirt is going out first thing tomorrow morning. As soon as this video is posted, it should be in the mail. All right, if you guys want to participate in the giveaway this week, make sure you're following me on Instagram and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. In the comment section, make sure you leave me your Instagram screen name and let me know what prize you want to win. After 24 hours of this video being posted, I'm going to randomly choose a name using a website that specifically does that type of stuff. So yeah, so good luck, you guys. Let's continue on to the video. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool Kicks. Yeah, man, we're at the Citadel outlet. It is Thanksgiving night. I think it's like 11. I got here at like 11:30. I've been walking for like 15 minutes, man. Crazy. Apparently the economy's doing super well because, man, it's packed. But yeah, so I'm trying to hit up as many Nike outlets as possible on Black Friday. Trying to do at least the entire week's worth of video actually on Black Friday or Black Friday weekend. You know, hitting up Nike outlets because everybody's curious on what the deals are. So yeah, so let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's go see what's up. I think I've already walked like half a mile. Man. That's crazy. Damn, bro, look at the line for Gap. Oh my God, Nike's gonna have such a huge line. Holy crap. Wow, even Adidas got a fat line. Oh my God. It's gonna be such a huge line at Nike. Holy crap. There's the Nike store. Yeah, it starts in the hallway. Oh shit, it starts in the hallway? Wow, I've never seen a line like this, you guys. Never seen it. Even I was at the Nike Clearance Center out in Santa Clarita just a little while ago. There was nothing like this. Of course, we got there right at 8 o'clock, right when it opened, but wow, this is crazy, guys. Hopefully we find something.
You can come in this way.
Finally made it in, you guys. Finally made it in. Let's go see what's up. This place is a zoo, just like all the other places. All the other places, you guys. Wow, lines everywhere. So this 30% off. 30% off everything. Let's start with the hash wall, then let's see what's up. For how long the line was, it actually wasn't even that bad. I don't think I waited more than 15 minutes. Line went around the whole freaking, let's go. That's crazy. Look at this Jordan section. It's being torn apart. Oh. Let's see how this goes, you guys. Dang, these go for 110. Got these at the clearance center for 60 bucks. 30% off there. Dang, that's crazy. And they got these everywhere now. 120, 30% off. Okay, the clots, the Air Max 97 clots. All right. Okay, Air Max 200s. Go for 70 bucks, 30 off. That's not bad. That's really good. Got the Mamba Rage going for what, 50 bucks? All right. 30% off. That's like $35. It's a steal. Still in the size 10, 70 bucks, dude. For some Pegasus turbos after the 30%, not bad. That's a steal right there. This is their Nike Zoom X, which is pretty much their most comfortable cushioning system. Not bad. Air Max 2019. Holy, 2017. Why are these so expensive? Holy crap. 130, 30%. That's crazy. Okay, got the other clots. Oh, these are going for 90. 90, 30% off. Damn, that's what's up. Okay, we got some 97s, Air Max 97s. Oh wow, that's a really good price. 110. That is solid. Look at the colors on that. Not bad. 30% off on top of that. You guys know that. 190.1, 90 bucks. Not bad. We're moving into, I think, 10 and a half. So we're still in the 10s. Oh wow, we're in the size 11s. Look at this. Air Max 90, 95. Go for 50 bucks. What the hell? That's $35 after the 30%. Oh, let's look at these two. Pegasus, 11 and a half. Pegasus go for 85 bucks. 85 bucks. Got Jordan 34s. Jordan 34s, you guys. Wow. All black. The white midsole. This is dope. Oops. Dropping them. Dope, you guys. Go for retail, 30% off. Dang, not bad. Not bad, dude. Finding a lot of heat here, you guys. All kinds of heat. This is dope. What? Air Max Plus? Go for 69? That must be a mistake. 69.99. What the hell? That's crazy. 30% off on top of that. All these other ones. Oh, 69.99. They are all marked. Wow, that's crazy, guys. Is this the same colorway as that other one? 109, 30% off. Dang. Look at this, size 12. Got some Kyrie 6s. Kyrie 6s, you guys. Wow. Wow, that's what's up. Going for retail, but you get that 30% off, so it's like way below retail. Wow. That's nuts. That's insane, you guys. Wow. I don't know if it was this outlet, man. They had these for, I swear they had these for 40 bucks, $39.99. Raise them back up. That's crazy. They got a plethora of those up tempos. What were they going for? I forgot what they were going for. 90 bucks, 30% off. Dang, I just picked them up for way cheaper. I guess it's their deal of the day or something. The Air Force Max lows, 90 bucks. Not bad, not bad. All right, I did not forget about you 13s. Did not forget about 13s. Go ahead. Got the turbos, Pegasus turbos, 85 bucks. Seen that colorway. Hasn't seen this colorway. So, not bad. Got the Pegasus 35. Why would you get a Pegasus 35 when you got the Pegasus 35 turbo here for the same price? That's crazy. That's crazy. Especially one of the best cushioning systems that Nike makes. That's crazy. Oh, the extended sizes go for a little bit more, a little bit less, 75, 30% off, not bad. Let's see how much these are going for. 50 bucks, the Air Max F5 for the extended size, size 13s, not bad, dude. 35 bucks after the savings, wow. I'm like, what's up with these Jordans? Yeah, never mind. Epic React, there's some Epic Reacts or something. Got the real trees, uh-oh. These was just on sale on the Nike app for way cheap, but they were almost sold out. Size 14, there's no way this is going for retail, dude. Even 30% off, I bet you they're big time sale. All right, so these, I just checked out StockX and Go. Yeah, not enough profit, so we're throwing that back. Not for me. You said the crowds are fighting you guys. You said the crowds. Man, it's crazy. It's crazy, yeah. All right, we're in the 9.5s now. What does LeBron trainers go for? Oh, there's no price tag on them. There's no way they're going for retail, though. All right, 129 for some Air Max Swiss. That's way too much. What are they thinking? What's up with that? Oh, got some Jordan 13s. Oh wait, 15s. I saw those. It says metal right there. But yeah, go for retail, 30% off. Air Max Zero Essentials, 90 bucks. We're in the 8s now, you guys. There really wasn't much in the 9s, 9.5s. Seeing these everywhere, you guys. These as well, seeing these everywhere. For those of you dads, right? That's the dad shoe of the year. Air Monarchs, 55. 55, get that 30% off on top of that. All black. I'm in the 8s and 7s. Pretty much the exact same things that we've seen everywhere. Epic Flyknit right here for 80 bucks. See a bunch of those quads. Look at the LeBrons. We saw these earlier. 159, okay, 30% off. That's not the greatest price. We've seen those for way cheaper. Air Max 200s going for 200 bucks. These are the ACG. What is this? The Shark or the? I don't remember. It doesn't even have a price. Look at this, you guys. Oh, got the Kobe's. Oh, they're both tied together. I've never seen that before. Never seen that. Look, the Kobe's, you guys.
Thank you.
The Protros, the all black colorway, dude. That head of yellow. These were dope. Size 7, 30% off. Retail though. I'm gonna see if I can try to get these out. But man, look at this. Look at this. Mamba Rage, 70 bucks. Jordan Max Aura. Going for what, 90 bucks? Is this the same colorway we just saw, the Mamba Rage? All right, 70 bucks. Different colorway. All right, Mamba Rage, 70 bucks. Let's go to the SBs. I think these are the what, Janowski Canvas? 70 bucks? Wow, that's super high. I've never seen the Janowskis go for more than like 40 bucks here. That's crazy. They're raising prices up. Air Max Janowski 2s. Wow, I've never seen Janowski go for more than 50 bucks, like I said. I think I said 40, but I don't think I've ever seen for 50. That's crazy. Witness 3s. As you guys know, I've been hyping up the Witness 4s because those are dope. But yeah, these aren't bad. Not bad. 80 bucks. Price is a little high though. Yeah, this price is way too high. They raised them. Yep, another example. They've been raising some of these prices. Witness 3s. Foams. I have no clue. The Court Purple, I have no clue what the prices were before. Looks like they increased a lot of the prices on these, the ones inside the aisles. But yeah, 90 bucks. 90 bucks for these. That's actually not bad. The Air Max 200s. These just recently came to the outlet, so I don't think they raised these. The GPs. The Paytons, you guys. Not bad. These are ugly as hell though, man. I don't know. If you guys are into them, my bad for offending you guys, but those are ugly. So yeah, they got plenty of sizes here. 105. Get that 30 off as well. Not bad. Not bad. Doing a restock. Apparel prices definitely higher than the clearance sale. These will go for what? 55? 30% off? These sweatshirts go for 35. 35. That's not bad for basic. Yeah, these are really basic. Really? Only $5 off? And you get that extra 30? Not the greatest deal. Oh, their graphics tees go for what? 15 bucks, 2 for 30. And you get 30% off on top of that. Not bad. Not bad. This is dope. Just can't do white, man. I'm just too clumsy. I'm too careless. But yeah, 45, 30% off on top of that. All right, and then in the last video, I did neglect the women's section. So yeah, let's go hit up the women's section. All right, the 6s, man, there's too many people there, so I'm not gonna be able to get those. Okay. Okay, the size 9. Elements, 55, wow. That's a really good price. Dope colorway too. Fan of that one. More Elements, 60 bucks. Get that 30% off as well. Air Max 98s. Oh, 45, wow. 45 bucks, that's what's up, man. That colorway too, not bad. Pegasus Turbos going for retail. That's a dope colorway though. Some old schools. These are not Air Max 98s, and these are also probably not the price. Who knows? Some old school shoes, not bad. They look alright. Huge size, but hey, $60 for some Odyssey React. Not bad. Sharks Enigma, we've seen these. Super reflective material. Yeah, going for retail though. There's no way those will go for retail. 30% off though. Air Max 2017s. I do like this colorway. They like the colorway, but yeah, there's no way these are going for retail. There's no way. Get out of here. Something minus 30% off. I don't know the price though. 720s? Why are these so expensive? 135. Still going for a lot.
Oh, they got
135 for these. Vapor Max 2019s. 30% off. $90 for these Air Max 200. These are kind of dope. The Nike Cortez. Nylon material, but look at that. Really? $6 off? You do get that extra 30, but $6 off, really? Wow. Kind of crowded, but yeah, look, those Cortez, the Forrest Gump Cortez go for retail, man. Yeah, never seen those for retail. That's definitely the most I've ever seen a Metcalf for. 110. Did you get that 30% off? Like, probably about the same as normal. Pomeros. I picked one of these up for my girl. Different colorway though. Picked them up for $20? $32 something? Yeah, these will go for 70 thing. Pegasus Turbos, 135, 30% off. 85 for the Pegasus 35s. Yeah, they definitely raised some of the prices, but kept some the same. Interesting. The lines are crazy. It's what? $12.45. Look at this. It's crazy, guys. Crazy. We out though. We out. Not bad, dude. The sales, you know, they had certain things on sale. Other things, kind of whatever. But yeah, interesting trip, you guys. Interesting trip. Let me know what you guys saw. But we out. We are out. It's official. Hey, so that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Was it a waste of time? Was it worth staying up till 1 in the morning for? Hey, let me know what you guys think. If you like these type of videos, make sure you guys go ahead, press that like button. If you guys just discovered my channel or been watching without subscribing, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, press that notification button. I do come out with a lot of videos. My goal is to pretty much come out the video every day, you guys. So yeah, make sure you guys keep watching. Make sure you guys watching my older videos. I have over 130 videos of me hitting up outlets and retail stores, just looking for deals. And I do have a couple reviews and stuff like that too. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead, check out all my other videos, and thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Damn. I'm walking half a mile to my car, you guys. Look at the map right here. And I walked over a mile today for this outlet. Plus inside the Nike store, man. That's crazy. That's the furthest I've definitely walked for one of the videos. Thanks for making it to the end, you guys. Peace. Damn, Reebok ain't got no lines. Everybody got lines, but no Reebok.